Imagine this. The average savings account in the United States offers an interest rate of a measly 0.06%. Yes, you heard it right, 0.06%. Now compare this to the high-yield savings account from Apple, in which they offer 4.15% AP. Quite a difference, isn't it? You may wonder, what exactly is a high-yield savings account? And it's quite simple. A high-yield savings account is like your regular savings account, but with one major difference: it offers a much higher interest rate. This means that the money you deposit in a high-yield savings account grows at a much faster pace than it would in a regular savings account. Think of it as a supercharged savings account. It's like the difference between a regular car and a sports car. Both will get you from point A to point B, but the sports car will get you there much faster. Similarly, both a regular savings account and a high-yield savings account will help you save money, but the high-yield savings account will help you save much more, much faster. Now, why is a high-yield savings account beneficial? The higher the interest rate, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. If you're saving money for a rainy day, a big purchase, or even just for the sake of saving, a high-yield savings account will speed the process up without having to do any extra work from what you were already going to do. So, what are the key points to remember about the high-yield savings account from Apple? First, it offers a substantially higher interest rate, up to 4.15% APY, which is significantly higher than the average savings account. That means your money works harder and grows faster. Second, it's backed by a company we all know and trust, Apple. Third, you can access your account from anywhere at any time, using the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. This makes managing your savings as easy as sending a text message. Lastly, it doesn't come with any monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. That means you can start saving with as little or as much as you want, without worrying about any hidden costs. Apple also offers up to 3% cash back on every purchase you make. In conclusion, the high-yield savings account from Apple is a game changer. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. So why settle for a regular savings account? Remember, the choice is yours. But when it comes to saving money, faster is always better. And with the high-yield savings account from Apple, faster is exactly what you get.